millions of people do not have access to financial services.
50% of all people living in poverty are under 18.
There is more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere than any time in human history.
We can do better.
We believe
finance is about enabling human progress.
we cannot do it alone.
We need to bring together people from the global FinTech ecosystem.
Join us.
Join us.
Join us as we build a global financial system
to enable access
to digital economies for all.
This is a smart financial center.
A better system for better.
The national digital identity is the basic building block for a smart nation and the digital economy.
Our customers just need to scan a QR code that appears on our Me and Income page to launch SingPass Mobile on their mobile phones to complete the login. This removes the hassle of having to create and remember a unique user ID and password for our Me and Income.
We are delighted 9 banks in Singapore offer PayNow, a convenient e-payment service for individuals and businesses. PayNow is seamless, fast and secure. And to date, registrations of mobile numbers is at 2 million. And over the last few months, we have recorded $1 billion in transactions. And these numbers are still climbing.
In 2016, we started this bold experiment to test and learn about blockchain and its application for decentralized financial infrastructure.
Tokenized Singapore dollar.
Tested 3 blockchain protocols.
Demonstrated privacy and finality.
Developed decentralized multilateral netting.
Enabled cross-platform DVP.
Designed new models of cross-border payments. And we started Project Ubin.
We're excited to join the Apex platform and work with other financial leaders in driving innovation and collaboration.
collaborations between emerging and established fintech players, such as those supported by Affin's platform. These are crucial.
We look forward to expanding in the region through Apex to enhance financial inclusion in the region.
And what's more, sitting here in London, we could successfully deliver a POC in Singapore.
Our leading Philippine bank is going to use Apex platform and our location APIs to create their new generation of e-banking solutions.
We have a vision for an SME sector that is servicing 1/2 of institutional buying power. Most SME platforms today are local, community-centric, which prevents global and regional connectivity.
The BSB proof of concept was completed successfully in 2019 with the support of our key private sector partners.
Thanks to BSB, a number of SMEs will be able to find increased business opportunities and meet their business dreams that are always hard for small and medium enterprises.
We are really delighted that this is a phenomenal opportunity for small and medium enterprises across India, Singapore, and hopefully many other ASEAN countries.
It's one step closer to realizing a world where SMEs can transact seamlessly with our counterparts from all over the world, and for the world to discover our SMEs.
Operating live in the MAS sandbox has allowed us to demonstrate to the MAS and to the wider investment community that iStocks does indeed bring greater access and efficiency while remaining safe and secure.
If we didn't have a license in Singapore, we thought about using the MAS sandbox. It really worked out well because we were able to test the product from end to end. And that helped Singaporean women get access to insurance that's a coverage gap today. The opportunity to work in the sandbox has really opened up the world to us.
Through the sandbox framework, we have provided guidance to more than 250 firms and facilitated several experiments. In August this year, we have introduced the Sandbox Express to provide innovators with a faster option to conduct their experiments.
I love Deal Fridays. Deal Friday are fantastic. Everybody's coming together. There are lawyers, there are investors, there are startups, there are consultants.
Yes, my experience with Deal Friday is great. I have learned a lot from my experience meeting with different types of investors.
We managed to connect with investors who have now signed term sheets to give us this investment. So it's been wonderful.
Everything we do in FinTech must have always this larger purpose: to improve the lives of individuals, to build a more dynamic economy, and to promote a more inclusive society. This is the FinTech spirit.